everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your plain deck and wished for a splash of greenery and color? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of deck garden planters. We'll show you how to transform your outdoor space into a stunning, vibrant oasis. So, what exactly are deck garden planters? Simply put, they are containers designed to hold plants and are specifically placed on or around a deck. Unlike traditional in-ground gardens, these planters give you the flexibility to create a beautiful garden space on any deck, patio, or balcony, no matter the size. They allow you to bring nature closer, right to your outdoor living area, making it a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the fresh air. One of the biggest benefits of having deck garden planters is the incredible flexibility they offer. You can easily move them around to change your deck's layout, adjust for sunlight, or even bring them indoors during colder months. They also provide excellent drainage, which is crucial for healthy plants, and they help keep your deck clean by containing the soil. Furthermore, planters allow you to control the soil composition, which is perfect for growing specific types of plants, herbs, or vegetables that might not thrive in your native soil. This means you can create a custom garden tailored to your tastes and needs, all while adding a huge dose of aesthetic appeal to your deck. Decorating your deck with planters to make it look beautiful is all about strategy and creativity. First, consider a mix of planter sizes and heights to create visual interest. Tall, vertical planters can create a dramatic focal point, while smaller pots can be grouped together to form a charming display. Next, choose plants with varying textures, colors, and heights. Combine lush, leafy plants with vibrant flowers and trailing vines to add depth and dimension. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements. Place planters along the railings to define the space, use them to line pathways, or create a cozy corner with a large statement piece. And remember, lighting plays a huge role. Adding some solar-powered lights or fairy lights around your planters can create a magical ambience for evening enjoyment. Now, let's talk about the best materials for your deck garden planters. The right material can make all the difference in durability, aesthetics, and plant health. First, wood. A classic and timeless choice, wood offers a natural rustic charm. Cedar and redwood are great options because they are naturally resistant to rot and insects. Just be sure to use a non-toxic sealer to protect the wood and prolong its life. Second, composite. This material is a fantastic, low-maintenance alternative to wood. Made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic, composite planters are incredibly durable, weather-resistant, and won't rot, warp, or splinter. They come in various finishes and colors, as you'll see in some of our upcoming examples. Third, stone or concrete. For a modern, sophisticated look, stone and concrete planters are perfect. They are heavy and sturdy, making them ideal for windy locations. They also provide excellent insulation for plant roots, keeping them cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Fourth, metal. Materials like galvanized steel or aluminum can give your deck a sleek, industrial edge. They are durable and lightweight, and often come in interesting geometric shapes. Just be mindful that metal can heat up quickly in the sun, so you might need to choose heat-tolerant plants or provide some shade. Fifth, plastic or resin. These are the most budget-friendly and lightweight options. They are available in a huge variety of colors and styles, often mimicking the look of other materials like wood or stone. Look for UV-resistant versions to prevent fading and brittleness over time. Now let's get to the fun part. Here are our top 10 best deck garden planter ideas to inspire your own outdoor paradise. 1. Balcony railing planter boxes. This vibrant display showcases how simple railing planter boxes can completely transform a small balcony or deck. By attaching them directly to the railing, you save floor space while creating a beautiful, lush border of flowers. The variety of petunias and other trailing plants in multiple colors creates a cheerful and welcoming atmosphere. proving that even a small space can be a stunning garden. 2. Raised planter box deck border. This beautiful deck design uses large, custom-built wooden planter boxes to define the perimeter of the deck. The raised height makes them comfortable to tend to, and the continuous border creates a seamless transition from the deck to the yard. The varied plantings of flowers and ornamental grasses add texture and life, providing a natural and inviting feel to the outdoor dining area. 3. Multi-level deck planter steps. This innovative design integrates planters directly into the steps and multi-level structure of the deck. By incorporating planting beds into the deck's architecture, a cohesive and flowing landscape is created. The combination of flowering shrubs and ornamental grasses softens the edges of the deck, making it feel like a natural extension of the surrounding yard. The rich, warm color of the wood complements the lush greenery beautifully. 4. A colorful container garden. This stunning example demonstrates the power of a vibrant container garden. A collection of bright, colorful pots filled with an abundance of flowers like petunias and coleus are artfully arranged along the deck railing and on the floor. This arrangement not only adds a massive burst of color, but also allows for easy changes, as pots can be rearranged or swapped out with the seasons. 5. Integrated seating and planter deck. This sophisticated deck features built-in planters that are seamlessly integrated with a matching bench. This design is highly functional, offering both a comfortable seating area and a place for beautiful plants. The dark brown composite material gives it a modern, clean look, while the planters filled with bright red flowers and ornamental grass create a striking contrast and visual interest. 6. Vertical trellis and raised planters. For those looking to grow more than just flowers, this setup is perfect. The raised wooden planters with built-in metal trellises are ideal for growing climbing plants, vines, or even vegetables. The raised design makes gardening easier on the back, and the vertical element adds a unique architectural feature to the deck, creating a lovely backdrop for outdoor living. 7. Classic wooden corner planter box. This classic design uses a simple, L-shaped wooden planter box to frame the corner of the deck. The clean lines of the pine would complement the deck and fence, while the variety of flowers and small shrubs add a touch of charming cottage-style gardening. This is a great way to add greenery and define a seating area without taking up too much space. 8. Low-profile built-in planter edging. This deck features a sleek, low-profile built-in planter that follows the natural curve of the deck's edge. The use of low-lying, rounded evergreen shrubs like lavender and boxwood creates a soft, manicured border that contrasts beautifully with the clean lines of the wooden deck. This design is perfect for a minimalist and modern aesthetic, adding a touch of natural elegance. 9. Stone and wood luxury deck planters. This luxurious deck showcases how combining different materials can create a truly upscale look. The planters are built with a beautiful stone veneer base and a wood cap, echoing the deck's material. The combination of textures adds a sophisticated flair, and the well-placed planters with a mix of leafy and flowering plants beautifully break up the space, defining the lounging and dining areas. 10. Modern composite tiered planters. This contemporary deck uses tiered composite planters to create a dynamic, multi-level garden. The sleek, gray composite material gives the space a very modern and clean aesthetic. The simple architectural plantings of ornamental grasses and low-lying shrubs highlight the lines of the planters and the deck, creating a very cohesive and stylish outdoor living space. And there you have it, 10 fantastic ideas to get your deck garden journey started. Whether you're looking for a simple railing box or a complete integrated system, there's a planter design for every style and budget. Transforming your deck with a little greenery can make a huge difference in how you enjoy your outdoor space. I hope you found some inspiration today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on how to choose the right plants for your deck garden. Now go out there, get creative, and start building the deck garden of your dreams. See you next time.